Hello friends, KillerBee here. This video will be how to put in a new road crossing at a railroad track in 21 or so easy steps. All you need is some friends, some heavy machinery, the proper materials, and a free week to do it. Why would you do this? Railroads are generally responsible for maintaining in good repair the road surface at a crossing. In Wisconsin, the railroad's crossing maintenance responsibility extends to 4 feet on either side of the outside rail and for the entire width of the adjacent roadway, including shoulders and sidewalks. So let's get started. Ahead of time, you'll have to coordinate with the local authorities to arrange the road closure. Also, stage ahead of time the materials you will need. In this project, the new track panel was built and readied, and some of the new crossing pads stockpiled. Day one is pretty much a day of preparation and putting finishing touches on the new track panel. The operations team is happy you have not impacted their trains yet. Day two, the real work starts. The machines move in and the removal of the old crossing begins. By day's end, the asphalt and old pads have been removed, ballast has been brought in for tomorrow, and the train still ran unimpeded. Day 3. We tear out the old track through the crossing and move it out of the way. It is then disassembled to salvage usable material and also to make it easier to haul away. Make sure you dig down to the proper depth to support the new crossing. I had to leave for a few hours to run an errand, and when I got back, the new panel had already been slid into place and was being secured. So good work, guys. Let's get the tamper and ballast regulator across before we start dumping the ballast. Hey, what's this? It's L585 shoving by so they can go out to Howard, just using the other leg of the Y. Hi, Mike. Back to our task. The new ballast is dumped into the crossing. The tamper then goes to work. It pulls the track up to the proper level and vibrates the ballast under and around the ties so the track is supported at the desired level. It works in partnership with the ballast regulator, who sweeps the excess ballast away or shapes it. We'll put some finishing touches on it and call it a day. Looking darn good so far. Day 4 finds us installing the new crossing pads and securing them in place. All that is left to do now is pour the asphalt tomorrow. It's day 5 and we are going to finish this project up. And here it is. Looks great, guys. Compare it to the other crossing there. So there you have it. Easy peasy, huh? If you enjoyed this, well, even if you didn't, feel free to subscribe. And here's a link to other videos. Thank you. Bye for now.